That's your world.
Shaka on the beat, Shaka on the beat, Shaka on the beat.
This is D Frank, and you're riding in the black ScatPack.
Shaka on the beat, 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 Shaka on the beat,
What's going on, everybody? This is D Frank, and once again, as always, I've been saying, it seems like this has been a theme lately. I'm not sitting up in the black scat, and as y'all seen from the title and the intro, I'm in a Benz. I done got bad and bougie now. At least that's the way it feels. And I'm back once again with Uzumaki.
What's up, people?
So yeah, man. You know, I know little to nothing about Mercedes, so you have to educate me and probably the people that's watching.
Well, this is a Mercedes-Benz C Class C400. It's like maybe about 2 steps down from an AMG. It's got the AMG kit on it. I bought this sucker used. I couldn't afford a new one, but used is just fine for me. It's got a twin turbo V6 engine. It's got economic, as far as drive modes, it has Eco, Comfort, Sports, Sports Plus, and then a custom mode. And I just love the car, all in all.
Man, it's pretty nice. I see from right here, I don't have a camera aimed at. I see that it got a heads-up display right there where you can see, tell you how fast it's going.
That's another reason why I like this car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've never had a heads-up display. I've always wanted one. And believe it or not, this is the perfect car, as an entry car for me anyway, to do that. Oh. Now, I used to have get your mirror straight.
Yeah, trying to.
I used to have a Cadillac ATS, 4-cylinder turbo car, with a 4-cylinder turbo engine. And my problem with that is I own a Hellcat as well, and going from a Hellcat to a 4-cylinder car, it just wasn't, you can adjust your seat however you want to.
Oh, the seat good now. I done figured out how to do it, man. Everything high tech up in here.
Oh yeah, man, so much technology. What I don't understand is how come the Hellcat doesn't have this much technology. You're pretty much paying for an engine in the Hellcat. I mean, it's not fair to compare a Hellcat to a Benz, but you know, you pay. They could at least, you have your heated and cool seats. Everything's on the door, but you know, they could at least given us memory seats in the Hellcat. I got memory seats on both sides in this sucker. It's just like it's standard, man. I just love it.
I was about to say the Charger got fortunate to get the doggone memory seats, but we wasn't so lucky. But
yeah, you know, maybe Dodge listened to us with the red eye. You know, I haven't seen those spec'd out, but
honestly, I think they do be listening to some of us, YouTubers and just, Instagrammers and YouTubers, because if you let me tell it, like, from what I've seen by them, just doing away with like a 392 SRT for the 2019 model year, like them putting like some of the options that was up on it, like on the Scats, and I remember a video I made a couple years back, like some of the things I didn't like about the Scat, because they didn't, at that time to me, I feel like they ain't doing enough to really differentiate with the Challengers, but that's a whole different story. But I think they be listening.
Yeah, I do too, because it seems like it. It seems like being a YouTuber and having that I don't know, like that direct input from users, because we have so many followers. Some of us do. I don't yet, but I'm gonna get there. That's a bet. But we have so many followers that give us honest feedback on their experiences. They're not getting that. They're just not getting that. I think we can go this way. You want to go to the interstate? You want to drive through the neighborhood?
Alright, that'll work with me. I'm hitting them off.
I'm trying to set up a live broadcast here while we're doing that.
Alright, that'll work. And So how do you like this above over that Cadillac you had?
Man, this is like leaps and bounds for the Cadillac. The Cadillac was nice, you know, it was a luxury car, but this Mercedes-Benz is on a whole nother level, in my opinion. After driving that Cadillac, just from the suspension to the engine having a V6 twin-turbo engine as opposed to that Cadillac four-cylinder turbo engine. I mean, just like if I'm going to switch it to sports mode, there shouldn't be any cops up here. I just went to Sports Plus. If you press on the gas right now, it's like a completely different car.
Yeah,
I didn't have that in my Cadillac.
Yeah, when we was off camera once when he did that for the first time, I was like, okay, I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
For I ain't gonna even say for a V6. This thing got some get up.
And it's because it's an all-wheel drive.
Mm.
You know, I've never owned an all-wheel drive car.
Well, if it snow down here again this winter, at least you got something that can do a lot better than what some of these people can do down here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I wasn't even thinking about that, but most definitely. Yeah, I just like the fact that when you press a normal V6, I've driven a twin-turbo V6 before that was just rear-wheel drive.
Mm-hmm.
And the difference in having all-wheel drive and just a rear-wheel or front-wheel drive, you can feel it.
Yeah, I felt that then. It was just like being shot out of a rubber band, just being stretched. It was just all go.
Yeah. I haven't raced anybody. I don't even know how many horsepower I have on this thing. You know, C400. It's got to be pretty good. But I probably can Google it right now. But I'm pretty sure I could do, you know, stock to stock, maybe a stock Mustang or something like that. I might get in trouble for that. I'm not trolling. I don't, honestly, I don't know, but it just feels like I can keep up.
Yeah.
You know, just keep up. But I got plans for this, you know. I've been talking with a buddy, and what we're going to do is we're going to maybe upgrade the turbos.
Okay.
Do a tune. Pretty much, I think a tune would give me up and over 500 horsepower from what I'm hearing, and add some headers. Wow. And that should be pretty straight with an all-wheel drive car. 500 horsepower.
Doing muscle car stuff to a luxury vehicle.
It's still gonna sound like a luxury vehicle, though. I ain't gonna cut off the muffler.
All right now.
I just want a little extra get up and go. If somebody pulls up on side of me, just to surprise me, you know.
Right. And they just blew the stop sign. Just clean blew the stop sign.
I've seen worse.
Oh, I have too. Just yesterday, I seen, man, I would say, I've really seen that they really can't drive down here. They drive better than they do in Atlanta, but they still can't drive down here.
Yeah.
But, you got me thinking, since we over here talking about muscle car stuff, man, this in your Hellcat, man, how you, when it comes to that, man, you know I had to ask.
This in my Hellcat, man. As far as power goes, well, power my Hellcat got him beat, man. I love driving my Hellcat. But you have so much more technology than something like this. Man, I prefer to drive this on a daily basis, and then my Hellcat just for fun.
I feel you. Cause at least, you know, up in here, you'll be comfortable. Since I just turned 30 back a few months back, maybe I actually am hitting that point to where, like, yeah, maybe I need to be a little bit more comfortable on a regular basis now compared to just like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me getting old. I don't know.
Man, don't say that. 30 is young, man.
Oh yeah, yeah. But hey, maybe I'm just getting conscious of being proactive. Just prolonging my body a lot longer, man. Yeah. We'll just run with that one.
Yeah.
We'll run with that one.
Yeah, that's stuttering thing, man.
No, you're fine.
Man, that point right there just made says it all. I mean, I don't really need two sports cars, and I wanted something like the Cadillac was one step in this direction. I got the Cadillac at such a great deal that when I traded, I got it as a great deal because they knew that the suspension was going to go out eventually if it would be serviced. So I did all that work myself, and I traded the car in. So I made money on that. I actually got money back on the trade-in. I had positive equity in the Cadillac.
Oh, okay.
Whereas these guys gave me a great deal on this car. They took my trade-in. I'm not losing any money right now. My note on this car is less than than what my Cadillac was, you know?
Wow. Can't beat that. You can't beat that. Yeah. But yeah, as you were talking, I'm still getting used to how fancy everything is in this one, man. I'm just not used to riding in something this comfortable and this nice. And this interior is something. It's just nice. I can't even really form the words I just really want to describe it as, man. It's probably the most comfortable ride I've had in any vehicle in a long time. And I mean a long time.
It's a little man coming from the ScatPack. They're trying to make the ScatPacks have a nice, they kind of float.
They do. They do. But man, it's still something about this ride. It's a lot softer. It's a lot more forgiving to me versus being up in that car. And don't get me wrong, I do like just ride a little bit more. But yeah, it's definitely a step in the right direction. I always, cause a weird, I would say random fact, like before I really started working about 3 years ago, I used to drive a truck for a Mercedes plant up in near Tuscaloosa, and I always especially driving for a company that was contracted through them. I just got tired and got burnt out of seeing Mercedes, especially just being around them, taking them parts all day. Yeah. I think I really, especially more or less now, been talking and dating a certain person whose dream car is a AMG G-Wagon, and man, somebody's out there. Yeah, somebody's out there. Dang.
You want to tell that?
Oh, okay.
I was like, man, where's that coming from?
Man, they get you.
That ain't my car.
I know, right? Yeah, because my girlfriend, her dream car is a G-Wagon AMG, so I'm starting to get a little bit more of an appreciation for like the technology and the detail that everything Mercedes do and put into their vehicles. But still, that don't mean that I still can't get annoyed when I used to indirectly work for them, though.
Yeah. This right here this thing has an air freshener built into it, man. One of my videos that's going to be coming out is how to refill this, because I don't want to pay the $100 for this thing, this little bomb.
$100? $100?
But it lasts forever, This car right here is a 2015, and that's probably been in here since, I don't know, maybe replace it every 2 years. So, but it smells, you can smell it in the car. I don't know if you smelled it when you got in or not.
No, I'll take that back, I might have, but...
You didn't notice? Somebody wanted you.
Yeah, not people going at me. I did everything right. It ain't like, okay, come on, get on around. Oh, blindside detection.
Oh, yeah.
I wish my car had that.
I could put it in cruise control and take my hands off the wheel, and it'll stay in between the lanes.
Because I think it had something like that. When I was looking down there, when I was riding, it looked like it had something that was like adaptive cruise.
Yeah, you have adaptive cruise. You can set out so you want to be in front of somebody. But one of the things that I like about it is when I'm cruising, because I text while I drive, and you should never do that. But adaptive cruise control, I can set it, and I can be in traffic, and I don't have to look up. It's gonna brake. It's gonna match the car in front of me. So as long as that car stops, I'm gonna stop, right? But then also, if I'm driving long distance and I take my hands off the road for a second, it'll go straight. Like it might go off to the side, but it'll start getting towards the edge, and it'll bounce back into the center of the lane. It does the same thing to the passenger side as well. Little dash in the road.
That's crazy, because it seems like Mercedes is always innovative with technology. They come out with something new, and I'm pretty sure they always make sure it's something that won't fail over time for the most part, and usually the whole world after that takes suit. So that's just weird, and yeah, we definitely don't condone texting and driving, so don't go out there and do that just because you heard this man say that.
Please don't. I'm looking for a car that will drive itself so that I can sleep on my way to work. I'm not lazy.
And once again,
I'm just embracing the technology.
Hey. And once again, we are not condoning that.
Sleeping on your way to work? No. But I'm just saying.
And
how do you like this review?
That review is something serious. I'd have to get a shot showing that this is something serious. It's nice. It is very nice.
I'm watching the video so I can send you the video so you can have it.
Oh wow, okay, yeah, that'll work. But yeah, it's just once again this Mercedes right here is definitely a step out of my comfort zone and what I know, and it's definitely giving me a even more newfound respect for them, because man, I'm just blown away. Like, especially like just seeing that air freshener canister. Like, man, I'm just some country dude from Alabama, man. I ain't used to seeing stuff like that.
I never knew it existed either.
I don't feel bad now.
I never even looked at a Mercedes before when I went to Germany and I drove that Lamborghini Huracan. And one of the guys I met out there, real cool guy, they tuned these cars, and he was like, man, you really need to look at Mercedes-Benz. So when I got the opportunity and I decided to get another car, I said, well, let me look at them. And I started looking for a C300. And then I talked to that same guy and sent him a message on Instagram. And he was like, nah, these are the models that you need. He named like 3 AMGs and then a C400, C450, something like that. And I was like, well, I can't afford any of the AMGs right now. So I'm going to take a baby step and look at the C400. And it just so happens I found one in Houston for the right price. And, you know, the dealership I went to really took care of me.
I was about to say, I feel like this, and this is not an AMG, and it can ride. So I can only imagine what the AMG would do.
Press it in the park. If you open up the door, it automatically goes in the park.
Fancy. But yeah, I can only imagine what an AMG would ride like.
Yeah, we didn't summer looking on, but kind of around the summer. Honestly, this is 2015, so it's just like, you ain't gotta buy a brand new one to have something that looks like something that's brand new. And all the decals could be changed out. I'm doing all that myself, you know.
So as you know, tune into Uzumaki's channel, and I'll let him drop all his social media handles.
My social media handles, Instagram, Uzumaki SRT, like Naruto, Uzumaki, just Uzumaki SRT. I'm a big Naruto fan. And YouTube, Whurree Uzumaki. That's it.
All right, you heard it from him, and we're about to get up out of here. Y'all take it easy.